FoxNation Firestick app can be found by going to the Apps section on the home screen. Scroll through the available apps, select Get. When you find FoxNation, Celebrate America, the one you want. And B. The apps you'll find here are listed under different categories, which makes it easier to find what you're looking for. Launch your Firestick and select the search, magnifying glass, icon from the top menu. You can find this in the top left corner of your screen. Type FoxNation in the search bar. You will be shown some suggestions. Select FoxNation, Celebrate America from the list. Click on Get or Download. You will see the download button only if you have downloaded FoxNation in the past. Wait for the download to finish and select Open to launch the FoxNation app. From your device's home screen, hover over the Find option. Click on Search. Search for Downloader. Select the Downloader app. Click on Download. Once Downloader is installed, go back to your device's home screen and open Settings. My Fire TV Developer Options. Install unknown apps. You'll see the Downloader app. Click on it. This will set unknown sources to on for the Downloader app, which will enable side loading on your device. Now open the Downloader app. A pop-up will appear asking if Downloader is allowed to access the files on your device. Click on Allow. A pop-up called Quick Start Guide will now appear. Click OK. You will now see a URL field. Place your cursor in the URL field and click the OK button on your remote control to open the keyboard. FoxNation, Celebrate America app file will start downloading. Wait until the file download is finished. After FoxNation is downloaded, click Install on the next pop-up. Your FoxNation, Celebrate America APK will now be installed. After the download, you may be prompted to remove the installation file and free up space on your device. Click Delete to delete the file. You are now done. The installed FoxNation, Celebrate America app is now located under Apps and Channels. See all.